Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Aweber for marketing profits easy tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Aweber website by typing www.aweber.com in your browser. On the homepage, locate the sign up or get started button. Click on that button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to a form requesting your email address. Enter your preferred email address in the designated field. Create a secure password to protect your account. Confirm your password by entering it again in the next field. Proceed by clicking the Create Account or similar button. A confirmation email will be sent to the address you provided. Check your email inbox for the confirmation message from Aweber. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. You will be redirected back to Aweber's website. Complete any additional information required, such as your name and company details. After filling in the necessary fields, click on Continue or Next. You will then be prompted to provide billing information. Enter your payment details accurately to set up your subscription. Review your information to ensure everything is correct. Once registered, log in to your new Aweber account. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and its features. Start by creating your first email list by clicking on the appropriate option. Follow the prompts to name your list and adjust other settings. Now, you're ready to begin using Aweber to enhance your marketing efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.